This morning I am on site at our new construction project. So just pulled up and this doesn't look like much now, but that's the slab to a brand new house being built as a rental property. So here's the front of the house. What I really love about this floor plan is that as you come towards the back of the home, the garage is in the back. It just really gives it a great street appeal. There's nothing wrong with having the garage on the front of the house, but I love that the home is up the front door's up there, the garage is in the back. We were able to do that because it's on a corner lot. So you'll see that there's no home to the left of this house. It's the street coming into the house. As you turn in, it takes you down a cul-de-sac. So this is the house built on the corner. So right now, just a slab. Shout out to my good buddy in Colorado who bought this house. He is actually a custom home builder, and there's nothing more rewarding than for a home to build for a fellow home builder. So leave in the comments below, congratulations on your new house. Brand new house built as rental. This is a thing that's becoming distinct. There's no more affordable lots. The cheapest, least expensive lot I can find these days is about $40,000, and that's a deal. Well, a $40,000 lot equates to at least a $200,000 home, which makes it hard for cash flow. These lots I was able to purchase for $20,000, and that's the only thing that made this possible, because it's more expensive than ever to build a house. Materials gone up year over year, labor costs has gone up year over year, petroleum prices are not going down. So that was lot 2, and this is lot 3. So we poured the slabs at the same time, and just today, our crews have framed the first floor. So that's pretty cool. The bulldozer came out, scraped the lot. The wood was delivered at 5:30 this morning. These guys started work at 5:45. It's already starting to take shape. The first floor will be framed today. The second floor has 2 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs. That'll be framed tomorrow. The roof will go on Saturday morning, as long as it doesn't rain between now and then. So super exciting stuff to see with these brand new houses going up as rentals. Currently I have 1 available and 0 lots behind that as of today to build more houses as rentals. It's kind of sad to see this part of my career go away, building brand new houses as rentals, but it was really good to me for years. I believe in them because a newer house like this can attract a really strong tenant. Maintenance costs for my investors is relatively low, and from what we can tell over the past 6 years of doing this, tenants are staying longer, treating them more like they're their own home. So this is the first video of several. I'll talk about the new construction houses built as rentals. I do plan on building more homes as rentals in the future. Maybe they're duplexes or quadplexes, but stay tuned for those things. Right now, single family homes as rentals seems to be coming to an end unless something changes. And hey, things have a way of changing, right? So stay in touch with me and my team. JamesWalkup.com. If you've got any questions, reach out. We'd love to talk to you.